What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Croeboys video. Today it's just me and Colton. We're up here at his cabin in the Hibben area, and we are just targeting largemouth today. That's really all it's on these lakes. Today we've been doing pretty good. We had a decent topwater bite, caught some good fish, like ultra shallow. You'll see that. And then right now we're just tossing bass jigs and some swim jigs up shallow. And what the absolute is that? Should I just keep going? There's like gas over here.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
So sick. That's a nice one, I think. Did you see it? Oh, that's a deep. Yeah, that's a good one.
You met him?
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Dude, that you cast it on shore for that guy too.
Look at that frog. He choked it. I casted way up there. I was literally like, my frog was a foot off the bank and he just hammered it. That was so sick. Like the first, unless it's, oh yeah, 3-pounder on the dot. Not a bad fish at all. Let's get this guy back. See, girl. Yeah, that's sick. Bro, they're all just choking the frog. Look at that again. Oh my lord. Go another. This is probably like a 1.5 pounder, but still super fun nonetheless. See, buddy. We just figured out like bass jigs when we were up in those reeds up over there.
Yeah, we have.
Black and blue bass.
I got a fish.
So good.
Really? I think it's a decent little bass.
Oh, yeah. That guy, yeah.
That's funny. First cast out in the deep. Oh my god. Yeah, absolutely. Here, buddy. We're doing the old lipping grip. Jesus Christ, I'm special. Well, boys, good fish on the bass jig. Casting these deeper weeds and hammering it.
Gotta be a fish on these logs.
Hypothetically, there should be. Oh, look at that. My line's going for a swim. Oh, that's a good one. A good one.
Yeah, bring him in.
I'm gonna play with them for a second. Oh my god. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I didn't realize he was at the under the boat. It's pulling drag, eh, bud? Oh, that's a nice one, boy. Let's go.
This shoreline.
Let's go, boys. That is a good bass.
Is he up on the bank?
Yeah. Oh my, dude, if he does that one, pull some shit on me like that again. Only 3 pounds, 6 ounces. Damn, I thought he was bigger. I'm trying to do it. Yes, no?
Yeah, that's a good one.
That? Oh, that's not it.
No, he was not. Alright guys, another nice fish. I just threw up on a patch of lily pads and this guy bit it right away. He choked that jig. Hold in at 3-4.
Good fish. Oh.
What?
Oh my God, you see that? Yeah. Oh my God, I got that on camera. Did you see him eat that?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Dude, he was under the boat and ate that. Dude, what is this guy on? Ow, sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. That was so cool. Oh my God. He came up to the boat and I dropped back down with the weeds on my when he ate it.
Hopefully the GoPro got all that.
Yeah, that was awesome. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go, boys. Stolen boat. Oh my God, smell these weeds.
I got fish. I was just reeling him.
Good. Netter?
Nah. It's a nice one, actually.
Make up your mind.
I'll bet it myself.
I asked you. You said no.
It's not a 3-pounder.
That's a good one.
Alright guys, we're just out here fishing these reeds right out here right now. Back in this bay, it's just kind of just really shallow. It's a bunch of reeds, and I just casted way up, like literally on shore in that shade. Very, very skinny, shallow water. Pulled this guy out just under 3 pounds. Great fish, and we're gonna get a release on him.
There we go. Oh, too funny. Damn, bunch of decent ones up in here.
There's a bunch of that small either. That's probably like another 2-pounder.
Dude, they are dogging too. Yeah. Oh my God. I got my drag tight.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Alright, should be good.
Oh. He's really like red. Like, look at his back fin.
It's like a 2.5 at least. Alright boys, another good one. Again, piss shallow. Let's go. I'll bite in the... What am I think I'm ripping some Outcast tackle jig. I don't know the color, but little chigger craw in there. They're hammering it, so let's go.
Yeah, I'm in your town, I'm coming your way, just wait up. Me and my team ain't taking no L's. I told them you don't wanna play us. We going out town with a flight in the morning. Said fuck it, I'm just gonna stay up. Remember last year, I told them the price, and now they all wanna pay up. They hit me now, they coming too late. All I reply is just save up. Me and my guys, we did it ourselves, so no one can say that they made us. They gave me the shit, they trying to guard me. I told them you gotta go straight up. We eating for days, I've been in the gym. I swear that I'm getting my weight up, yeah. Oh, I seen it all.
Oh man. Oh my God.
Oh, that's
It's decent. Kind of down there. It's a bass. I don't think it's big. Fine. I knew there was. It's a nice one. I knew there was something under there. There we go. Nice one, boys. Cole's got one too. Good.
another nice.
Good one.
Another nice one. All right, guys. Just caught another nice one. We're just fishing these deep trees right now. The boat is sitting in like 15 feet of water, so it's pretty deep under these trees, and we weren't getting anything at first, which is a little concerning, but they're sitting up under there, and let's get back to it.
This fish got some big backs to them. Like, that's a
Yeah, they're all really healthy fish.
Was that even recording? They're heavy.
That's another healthy one. Look at that,
They're
guys.
heavy up on this tree. I wasn't even recording.
All right, guys, not the biggest bass by any means, but these fish are so healthy and they're just stacked under these trees. Let's get some more. Oh yeah, he's back.
Again.
Another healthy fish. This one's long. Yeah, look at this. Another nice one from the depths. You got him? Another nice one from the depths. He'd probably be a 3-pounder if he's a little fat, but he is very long. Let's get him. Oh, wow, the bot release.
I want to fish very gentle so I snag a lot. Where you guys right there? I got one. Oh my god, that's so cool.
That was so sick.
I'm watching a line going right on one.
Little tiny guy, but that was insane. Just watching him fight in that tree.